YouTube, we're going to learn how to make these Frank's Red Hot sauce chicken breasts. So watch the video to the end. Welcome back, friends, to another Frank's Red Hot sauce recipe. All you're going to need is thinly sliced chicken breast, that air fryer package again, and olive oil, and then a large bowl. All right, friends, so that's in there, the chicken breast. So you're going to want to take 2 tablespoons of olive oil, drizzle that in there. And then the thing you're going to want to do is take some of this sauce and mix that in there. Move it around a little bit and let it sit there for a couple minutes. All right, so we have that turned over. Now take the rest of this package and mix that in there. And the thing you're going to want to do is just keep using your hands and toss this to both chicken breasts are covered. And with this, you could make sandwiches with this or just slice it up and eat it on a plate. All right, YouTube, so hit air fry. Time is 10 minutes. Temperature is 350. Hit temp and start and let this warm up. All right, YouTube and friends, look how they came out. Look at the color of that. So you're going to want to lay these down in the air fryer. And then we're almost there. All right, YouTube, push it in, and now it'll go 10 minutes for 350. Halfway through, we'll turn it. All right, YouTube, look at that. So you just want to take this and turn this over. And the thing you want to do is just stick it back in. All right, YouTube, and there you have it. Frank's Red Hot chicken breasts. Can't go wrong with that. And all you need is this package for $1.99, and you can have that. More air fryer recipes to come.